Welcome to this Around the World video. My name is Beth Kesser, and I'm currently past president of IMAPS North America. Part of the duties as past president of the Executive Council is to travel to our worldwide IMAPS events and stay connected with the engineers in the UK, Europe, and Asia. Recently, I had the opportunity to join the Impact Conference in Taipei, Taiwan, which was held October 25th to 27th, 2023 at the Taipei Nangong Exhibition Center in Hall 1. There were 3 days of technical talks, including 4 plenary speakers, 1 panel on co-design, and 4 concurrent technical sessions in the mornings and afternoons, with many sessions held by special hosts such as iNEMI, JIEP, which is the Japanese Electronic Packaging Society, IBM, Intel, etc. There are over 700 advanced registrations. This is a 40% increase over 2022. So the event was a huge success. There are over 100 overseas participants, and if you want to see pictures and daily updates from the event, please go to Facebook and look up impact.org.tv. Day 1 included plenary speakers Dr. Jun He, Vice President, Quality and Reliability, Advanced Packaging Technology and Service at TSMC, who spoke about seamless integration of advanced packaging technology, testing, and manufacturing. The second speaker was Dr. Raja Swaminathan, Chief Vice President, or CVP, of AMD, who talked about advanced packaging technologies enabling next generation of AI architectures. It was amazing that these 2 executives could take time out of their busy schedule to give speeches at Impact, and it was much appreciated. There were also poster sessions on day 1 and day 2 at the Impact conference, as shown in the bottom left. The poster topics included advanced packaging and also printed circuit board topics. On day 2, there was a panel which was co-hosted by IEEE's Electronic Packaging Society, or EPS, and IEEE's Council on Electronic Design Automation, or CEDA. This joint panel was sponsored by ASE, and the co-chairs were Dr. C.P. Hung, Vice President of Corporate R&D, and Dr. William Chen, Senior Advisor at ASE, who we all know as Bill Chen. The moderator was Dr. Yaowen Chang, Dean at the National Taiwan University, or NTU. There was a big cross-section of representatives of industry and university, also worldwide representation at the panel between Intel, Cisco, MediaTek, and Applied Materials representing industry, Penn State and Georgia Tech representing the universities, as well as the Georgia Tech professor, Dr. Sung Kyu Lim, is also a Department of Defense DARPA program manager, which is a US government entity. So it was a very successful panel, and thank you everybody for donating your time towards this effort. Day 3 started with 2 plenary talks. Here is shown Impact's General Chair, Dr. Robert Lowe of ITRI, Professor Kaiyan Chang, who's the honorary chair this year, myself as a speaker about Zero ASIC, and also the Tokyo Institute of Technology professor as a speaker, and Dr. Xinpu Zhang, who is also a session chair. On day 2, there was an appreciation dinner held by the general chair, Dr. Robert Wei-Chung Lo, at an authentic Taiwanese restaurant. This dinner included entertainment, as well as an introduction to ICEP Japan, which is happening in April 2024. The JIEP, the Japanese Electronic Packaging Group, had a huge representation of the event with over 50 attendees attending Impact. And they also announced some of the keynote speakers at ISEP Japan in Toyama in April 2024. This dinner was given specifically for the plenary speakers, the invited speakers, the organizing committee, the advisory board, as well as the session chairs and other folks invited to participate in the Impact event. I want to thank the Impact organizing committee for inviting me to not only attend the conference as the IMAPS past resident, but also to give a plenary speech on our new chiplet startup company, Zero ASIC. Thank you.